Number 8, write the following numbers in descending order. So we have 768, 1,328, 1,345, 746, 892. So we want to write it in descending order. That means that we're going to go from the greatest value to the lowest value. So we're going from greatest to least, or in other words, high to low. So which of these numbers is the highest? Well, it's going to be one of these two because we're dealing with 4-digit numbers here instead of numbers that contain 3 digits. So which one is higher, 1328 or 1345? Well, the first 2 digits have the same value, 1 and 3. If we look at the third digit, we're looking at 2 versus 4. 4 is greater than value than 2. So 1345 is greater than 1328. So we're going to arrange it in descendant order, high to low, from greatest to least. So we're going to write 1345 first, and then after that will be 1328. So we could eliminate answer choice C and D. Now looking at the next 3 numbers, 8 is higher in value than 7. So 892 is greater than value than 768 or 746. Now looking at the last 2, 746 versus 768, the first digit have the same value. So we need to compare the second digit, 6 versus 4. 6 has a higher value than 4. So 768 is greater in value than 746. So we're going from high to low. 768 will be next, and 746 has the lowest value out of these 5 numbers. So this is going to correspond to answer choice A. So that's how you could rank numbers in descendant order or from greatest to least.